In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Lovable profile. Whether you're looking to get noticed by a wider audience or just want to share your achievements with more people, changing your profile visibility to public is a great step. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Lovable dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the bottom left of your screen. There you'll see a profile icon. Go ahead and give that a click. This icon is your gateway to personalizing your Lovable profile and settings, so it's essential to know where it is. After you've clicked on your profile icon, you'll be presented with various options. Among these options, you'll notice one labeled Settings. Click on this. The settings section is where the real magic happens. It gives you control over how others perceive your profile, as well as access to customizable components of your account. Now that you're in the settings menu, look for the area marked Profile Visibility. This section is crucial because it determines who can see your profile and, consequently, your projects, accomplishments, and perhaps even your quirky profile picture. Your goal here is to adjust these settings to suit your needs. Click on the Profile Visibility option. At this point, you'll want to change the setting to Public. This selection will make your profile accessible to everyone, meaning anyone can appreciate your hard work and creativity. As a quick tip, before you rush off to make your profile public, it's wise to ensure that everything looks exactly the way you want it to. Double check your profile information, bio, profile picture, and any other details you've included. Once your profile is public, you never know who might be looking at it, so make sure everything represents you in the best possible light. Now that you've changed your profile to public, take a moment to pat yourself on the back. You've successfully broadened your audience, allowing more people to engage with your content and connect with you on the Lovable platform. If you ever want to go back to a more private setting, it's just as easy to change it back by following the same steps. And there you have it. You've just learned how to publish your Lovable profile. By going public, you open yourself up to a world of opportunities for collaboration and recognition. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy networking!